Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是Lim Zap Siu. It's Joseph right here, along with Alice, to teach you more Hakka vocabulary. 你知道吗？最近我想到一个东西，想要请 Alice 来教。
什么东西？
跟这个有关。咔吱咔吱咔吱咔吱咔吱咔吱
剪
咔吱。哎，你怎么知道啊？
你说出来了。
对。Because in our daily life, there's a lot of scissors, knives, and things about cutting that are around you every day. 其实我们时常呢都会碰到跟剪有关系的这动作啦，或者是事情啦，比如说剪头发啦，对不对？剪刀啦，对不对？很多东西跟剪都有关系。咔嚓，那样子一下好不好？好，剪怎么说 ？Cut。
剪
啊！别骂我嘛！
我没有骂你呀！
再讲一次。
剪，
真的吗？
剪就是剪啊。
Oh, is that how you say cut in Hakka? I guess it is. 剪, okay? That is how you say it. So let's teach people how to say the scissor. 剪刀。
剪刀。
Okay, that's the scissor. 那可以拿剪刀给我吗？ Can you pass me the scissors?
做得拿剪刀本爱么？
就得拿剪刀本爱么 ？OK， 哇，讲这个字呢，我非常有力的那种感觉。
那海陆腔的剪刀，剪刀。
嘿，好像剪到什么东西了？现在
剪刀
OK, it sounds much milder in a different dialect, and that is also a pair of scissors. And finally, about maybe once a month or once every 2 months, we go to the salon and get our hair cut. OK， 尤其男生可能1-2个月就要剪一次，女生可能可以久一点，因为你喜欢留长。对，剪头发 ，cutting your hair. How do you say that?
剪头拿毛。
哦，头拿毛就是头发嘛。对 ，we taught this term before. 剪 means cut, 头拿毛 means your hair, so cutting hair. 剪头拿毛。好，头发太长了，该剪头发了。That means my hair is getting too long. It's time for a haircut.
头拿毛太长嘞，
头拿毛太长嘞，
后戏剪阿嘞，
后戏剪阿嘞，
对，就是你，
就是赶快去剪了，是不是？哎，的确有点长了，被你发现了。So there you go. Let's review these terms. To cut 剪 That's right. The scissor 剪刀 And finally cutting your hair. 剪头发
剪头拿毛
It's all about 剪 That means cut And that does it for today's practical Hakka
什么泰嘎
汉字say 张来了
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.